How to recover your PlayStation account if you forgot your password. So if you have forgotten password of your PSN account and you don't know how to reset your password and get back into your account, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. So first of all, come over to official website of PlayStation, playstation.com, and click on sign in at the top right corner. Now in this page, enter email address or sign in ID of your PlayStation network account and then click on next. Now here, if you try to enter your password and click on sign in, then you might see an error message like this: cannot connect to the server. That means actually your password is incorrect and you have forgotten password of your PSN account. Now you need to recover your account. So in order to do that, here click on Trouble sign in. And as you want to recover your PSN account, here click on recover your account. Now here in this page, again enter sign in ID or email address of your PSN account. And to recover your account, here click on send link. Now you have to check your email inbox for a message from Sony in order to recover your PlayStation account. So let me check my email. And here you can see this is the mail I got from Sony to recover my PSN account. And once you got this mail to recover your PlayStation network account, here click on recover account. Now before recovering your account, first you need to verify your account. And here you can select the method to verify your account. Here I have only date of birth option, so I'm gonna keep it selected date of birth. If you find different option here, you can select that as well. Now once you selected your verification method, now click on continue. And now let me select date of birth of my PSN account real quick. Once you entered your verification, now here click on continue. Once you finished verifying your account, now you will be in this page. And here you can create your PSN password and get back into your account. Now here click on create a password. So here create a strong password and re-enter that password here. So let me create and confirm my password real quick. And now let's click on OK. And here you can read you can now use your password to sign in. That means I have successfully reset my PSN account password. So again here let's click on OK. And now here let me enter my sign in ID. And let's click on next. And then let me enter my recently created password. And let's click on sign in. And here you can see I have successfully recovered my PlayStation network account. And that's pretty much it is. That's how you can reset your forgot PSN password and you can recover your account. And if you want to log out of PlayStation account from all the devices you are signed in with, watch this video and I will see you in the next one.